Hello, ladies. So, are we ready for the challenge? Are you ready? I am ready. So, I just want to quickly explain, something to you. Now, if you look at the group now, you'll see a chart that, contains your names and the number of calories you're supposed to, take, and the number of protein that you're supposed to take daily. So now this is what I need you to do. You see the one that indicates the number of calories. The upper number, you notice that there are two numbers there. For instance, now I think there's a 1002 to 1004. Let's just assume that you have a calorie of 1002 to 1004. What that means is that the maximum number of calories you can eat is 1400. So I will set my number of calories to 1002 in maybe my FitnessPal or whatever tracker that you're using. Set it to the minimum, the smallest number there, so that you're telling your brain that every day you can only eat 1200 calories. But what the upper number indicates is that if, for instance, you go overboard, you are still okay if you eat up to 1004 or 1500 calories. You are still okay as long as you don't exceed the upper number. You are still okay. So now that is for your calories. Now for protein, your protein requirements means that if your protein is 110 or 100, it means that you should not eat below 100 grams of protein every day. You can go above, but you shouldn't eat below 100 grams. So that's exactly what it means. So like I said, if you have a calorie requirement of 1002 to 1500, set your tracker to 1200, or you can even take a middle point, 1300, but you know that you cannot eat above 1500 daily, but you target 1002 to 1000, anything in between. You can target up to that, but you can't do more than that. And then for protein, you can do, if you have 100 grams, that means that you can eat up to 100. You can eat more than 100 grams, but you shouldn't go below 100 grams. 100 grams should be the minimum of the protein you eat for that day. So that's number one thing I want you to to take note of, based on the chart that I just sent to the group. So the group is going to be for accountability questions. Any problem you have, just share. Don't send questions to me behind the group, because it will prevent me from having to repeat. Different people may have the same questions, so it's best for us to send it to the group so that we can answer the questions there. Anybody can answer if you know the answer, and then we can all learn. Let's make it interactive and all that, and let everybody contribute. So I'm going to be sending more video explanations to the group so that you understand exactly what this challenge entails.